Greetings and a warm welcome to this course on Python for engineers, scientists and analysts. Since 2012, I've been immersed in Python, using it on projects that span from complex simulations for Anglo-American to engineering models that have informed multi-million-pound decisions for the London Underground. The skills I'm about to share with you are not mere theory. They are the very tools that countless professionals, myself included, rely on to turn raw data into powerful insights. By the end of this course, you'll be able to perform the following tasks with confidence. You'll be able to import data from spreadsheets. You'll be able to conduct statistical analysis on your data. You'll be able to visualize your findings through clear professional charts. The example on the right-hand side is exactly what we're going to build at the end of this course. We're going to create new data using mathematical models. And you're going to learn how to write modular and repeatable code. These are practical skills directly applicable in various fields of engineering and science, enabling you to analyze and interpret data efficiently and effectively. You might be wondering how all of this is relevant to your work. Allow me to provide some context. Imagine you're an environmental engineer and analyzing pollution data over time. You'll need to import large data sets and identify trends that could affect public health. Creating data with a model. As a civil engineer, you might model and simulate the stress distribution in a bridge design, generating synthetic data to predict potential points of failure and improve designs. For a chemical engineer, statistical analysis is important. Understanding the variability in experimental results is crucial to refining processes and ensuring consistent product quality. And plotting charts. A scientist, say a biologist, needs to communicate complex data to a non-technical audience. Clear, well-labeled charts can turn a dense data set into an insightful story. Okay, here's the course structure. So there's going to be a series of concise lessons. Everything's going to be bite-sized, each focusing on a specific aspect of Python programming. Lesson 1. We're here at the moment. This is just a quick introduction to what lies ahead. In Lesson 2, we'll cover everything you need to install Python and navigate different environments. Lesson 3. You'll write your very first line of Python code. It's a simple but essential moment in your journey. We'll also cover some mathematical operations within Python. Lesson 4. This is where we lay the groundwork for handling variables and datasets. Lesson 5. Discover the powerful numerical capabilities of NumPy for data manipulation. Lesson 6. Learn to process and manage large datasets efficiently using pandas. Lesson 7. We'll make statistical analysis easy and practical. Lesson 8 has 2 parts. We're going to master the art of visualizing data with clear, impactful charts. Lesson 9. Learn how to create reusable code and even simulate new data. And Lesson 10. This final lesson synthesizes all your skills with a comprehensive modeling example. Each lesson is designed to be concise and focused, allowing you to gradually build your knowledge. Beyond the content itself, quizzes will test your understanding after each lesson from Lesson 2 onwards. Lessons 3 to 7 and 9 will challenge you with coding exercises. In addition, Lesson 8, both parts, and Lesson 10 will include real-world case study assignments, complete with downloadable datasets for you to work with. Code examples will be available for most lessons, ensuring that you have the resources needed to follow along and apply what you've learned.